Welcome to AI for Social Media Coordinators from Complete AI Training. In social media, the landscape never stays the same. The routine tasks of scheduling posts or crunching data can become automated, freeing you up for the high-level creative decisions that truly move campaigns forward. With this course, you learn to integrate fresh, practical AI tools into your work, transforming the way you strategize and execute your ideas. It's all about taking control of new technology and using it to work smarter, not harder. This training offers straightforward guidance through video tutorials, clear demonstrations, and comprehensive insights that break down how to make AI an asset in your day-to-day tasks. Imagine logging in to find instant trend analysis, automated content scheduling, and data-driven insights that make every decision more informed. It's not just theory. Each lesson is actionable, so you can experience real change from the very start. Most courses include certifications that boost your resume, validate your expertise, increase earning potential, enhance job security, and open new career opportunities. With monthly updates, you'll always be ready for any shift in how social media operates, ensuring you remain at the forefront of digital strategy. If you're ready to upgrade your skills and take full advantage of the opportunities AI brings to social media, explore all the AI for Social Media Coordinators training courses on CompleteAItraining.com.